Hey, Dave Knight here from 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Today was Tuesday, May 8th, 2018. What a crazy, insane day. Yeah, a couple things are different right now. My gaming computer, or the computer that you can look at me from a different direction, is at the shop, and I guess you noticed that the facial hair is gone. Spring must be here, summer's here. Wife always says she hates it when I cut it all off, but do you ever get tired of something? And I know I get tired of my facial hair after a while. I told her it'll be coming back in November. So and I asked her to buzz my hair for like 2-3 weeks, and she refused. And so I just took. Now I know I'll get my hair buzzed because those that don't know, my wife's a hairstylist, and last on the list is usually me. The kids get their haircuts all the time from her, but I mean, I have to beg, plead, and steal to get mine. I work for a living, right? I said, yeah, but you're also the one that cuts my hair. So I went down to her little station that she has down there, that she does her friends and family. No one doesn't have a shingle or anything like that, so she just has a little something downstairs for her, just for close family. Anyway, she has another place that she works at. Anyway, long story short, her stuff's down there, so I would just go down there and shaved it off. And I know I look kind of. I never get used to me when I just go cold turkey and get rid of it. So it's nice, and it's like baby soft right now, and maybe I look under 50 years old, so let's go with that. Today was day 2 of the combine. I know I've reset, and but like I talked about last week, I got tired of messing around. If I woulda, shoulda, coulda, maybe I could have pulled out a lot more money last week, and then this week would have been moving out. So I was able to capture 113 ticks today. Woulda, shoulda, coulda. If I could have held on today to the GAN signal around 67.95, it made it down to about almost to the. I'm not sure if it made it down to 54 or not. I know it crested the GAN 225-degree angle at 67.95. I don't believe it got to 67.54. You can correct me if I'm wrong, guys. 67.95, but I was able to capture 68.76. I got in on the low at 10.04. I believe my entry point was at 67. I wrote it down. Excuse me, 69.63 at 10:04 a.m. is what it said. I rode that one for a while, and then I caught another 30 ticks later on. I did record some of the session, but it moved so quick that I wasn't able to record the trade itself. If you have a replay, I would highly suggest that you go back into your software platform and replay today whenever you get an opportunity to look at it, and understand that sometimes buying lows don't work out. I've been talking about this for a while. When the bottom falls out of buying lows, usually this is what it looks like. It's capitulation, and it just totally annihilates a lot of people if you're trying to buy these lows. So I think it hit that low around the 63-ish area about 3-4 times before it finally broke through off the tick chart. But when it did break, boy, did it break, and it broke hard. It went down from the 63 mark, 69, 63. It went down. I'm pretty sure it went down $2 from there. I made 67, 63. If I could have been brave enough to hold on I wasn't able. When I look back at today, I wasn't able to move my profit target from the GAN 137.5-degree angle down low enough quickly. I did have on my targets as a 12p target, I believe it was off of 70.03, off my entry point, off the open, it was 67.51. I don't believe we reached there, but we did reach 251 down from the high of 70.35 minus 251. I know we reached down to 67.83. So that would have been, if It's been a while since I measured it. Usually I measure it from the open, or I go and grab the close and see what a 12p move is. So usually I look at the close, the high of the market. The high that I was running with at the period of time was 70.35, and a 12p move today was 251 ticks. 252 would have brought it down to 67.83. That would have been my bottom target for the day. If I would have caught the whole movement, that would have been a really awesome trade. 69.61. I think I was in at 69.63, I think I said. I had some slippage, positive slippage on the trade, so it would have been filled at 63. But there to 67.83 could be worth 180 ticks. So, and I think I had 113 total. So about 67 ticks on the coulda, woulda, shoulda, coulda side of it. But I was glad that I caught as much as I did. I think I had 86, went up to 103, went down to 84, and then I finished off the day at plus 113. So I did go after it after that effect, because I was looking at this movement to be a great day to be able to hit that 2K mark on lots of volatility that was in the market. Now, the other side of this is tomorrow's inventory, I believe. Let me double check that. Yeah, tomorrow's inventory, and there's nothing in the way of inventory tomorrow. It's a 9:30 a.m. CST release, or 10:30 my time, as I like to say. So tomorrow, with all things being equal, if I get a one trade win tomorrow, I could have enough profit, I believe, to be able to move day 4, day 5 above 2K. In other words, day 4 and day 5 be able to take a one tick trade. So knock on wood, tomorrow could be the day 3, and then move up over 2,000 tomorrow. So that's the goal for tomorrow, to be able to hit the CL pit strategy, the crude oil power inventory trading strategy, hit that for a 3P target tomorrow, or enough profit to be able to get around 2,100 roughly. So I am short of it today. I'm at 31,339. So 32,100 less 31,339 is 761. So I need around 750, I believe, 75 ticks. May or may not happen tomorrow, but it could be very well be tomorrow that I move up over the 2,000 with a little bit of luck and help in the market. Anyway, that is all that happened today for me. I wanted to record my video until I get my gaming computer back, that you can see me behind, seeing me from a different direction. That unfortunately you're going to have to see my ugly mug this way. So I don't know if you guys even paid attention to the crude oil market. I would highly recommend that you watch the crude oil market on a replay today if you didn't, and see the insanity of today's movement. I mean, it went down to low. I can't think. I thought I wrote down the low, but I didn't. At the time of the market, before the market moved, the low was 69.04, and then it went down to I think it went. I know it went lower than 83. So I know it went down below 67.83. But I don't believe it made it to 67.51. Now 67.51 would have been the target based upon the open of 70.03. But of the high, like I talked about, that low would have been 67.83 on the 12p move. So I know at the time of trade it didn't make it to 67.51. So the low is somewhere between 67.83 to 67.51. The high was 70.35, and you know what? I believe the market got all the way back up to 70.35 at some point during the trading session today on the retracement back off the lows. I mean, talk about crazy market that moved. That moved all the way, and then it sold off again. I believe as I looked at it towards the end of the day, it was at around 69.69. So insane down move and an insane up move. It was just lots and lots of volatility. These are fun trading days for me. I don't want all of them to be as crazy as this, but when you catch the right move, it moves quickly in your favor. It always moves a lot faster in your favor than it's going down, though. Look at today's down movement and look how fast it went from 69.63 to 67.83. So it moved $2 down and or close to $2 down in a very short period of time. All right, that's it. This is Dave Knight here from 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. I'll hook this up to my day trading video I put up, but it was just one insane, crazy, fun trading day. So I hope that you was able to capture at least some of it today, and have a plan for it. Right? Have a plan for these kind of trading days. If you're always buying off those dips, man, some days, you get your ass handed to you. So that is the I guess to know when to fold them if you're a long-side trader too, correct? So every so often the squirrel gets the nut. Today was my nut. I was a squirrel and I was able to capture a little bit of profit today. Yes, I know it's the combine and it's simulated, blah, blah, blah. But I get one step closer back to funded. So that's where I am right now. All right, that's it. I've BS'd, and I know Kip will probably say I could have said what I wanted to say in 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So let's go with that. All right, I'm out of here. Dave Knight out. I hope you had an awesome trading day. Be careful out there. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.